Hello everyone. Yung internet namin nagluloko-loko. Si Dan hindi pa naman sanay ng yung internet nagluloko-loko kasi sanay siya ng merong internet na maganda, mabilis. So, puro lang loading pag nanood ka ng videos.
Okay.
I'm leaving in 1 minute.
You gonna run?
I try to do live.
Okay. Good luck with this internet.
Huh? Did you fix it?
No.
What's wrong? What did it say?
Probably the little splitter slash box, whatever the hell you call it, up in the line. Thing that takes the fiber optic and turns it into a coax signal. That thing.
Oh. I don't know if I'm gonna wear a thick coat or light jacket tonight.
Whatever you did yesterday will be fine.
Okay, so light coat. Ah! Where's my jacket? Hi! This one. I'm late. What time is it? 1 minute. 1 minute. I need my beanie. It's 47, so I'm going to leave.
I gotta leave this one too.
Is it the guy who left?
No, he's on the side of the building having his home office send signals to his device, which is just showing it's bad and I don't know why they don't just.
Okay, I'll see you then later.
Okay, see you.
Bye. Yeah, it is warm though. So right now I'm heading to work, and let's join me go for my work. Diba? Nanunosblade pa ako mag-English. Okay, let me put my heads. Oh, it's nice today. It is sunny day. So now we're going to cross the street. Ow. And I'm walking to the sidewalk with a lot of snow. You wanna see, guys, the snow is how it's look like? It's still like snow everywhere over here. How did you flip the camera here? So that's how it looks like. It's snow everywhere. Yan. And then I am walking here. So snow, that's the neighborhood here, and there's a car up front of us. There's the car. There's the car. My shadow. And snow. Park. That's the park. Super white. Snow everywhere. There you go. Snow. Welcome to the park. And it is super bright because it's sunny. And that's the neighborhood. And my work is over there. When you after you cross the street right there, that's my work. And the snow, snow, snow. My shadow walking. Yeah. See. Stop sign. Snow. Dito tayo daan, guys, sa kabila. Kasi dito yung gusto kong daanan. Oops. Where's the doggy? Where's the dog? Two dog over there. And snow. Realistic snow. And so cute, there's a squirrel over there. Hey, squirrel. Let's see if you can see it through the camera. So ayan, guys, yung squirrel. Oh, nakatayo. Ewan mo kung nakikita nyo, masyadong maliit. Pero ayun siya sa recycle. Sa top. Bye, squirrel. See you later. And then let's go ahead and start walking. Neighborhood again, guys. Yan yung neighborhood. And then snow everywhere. So dito tayo daan. Ayan. Masyadong maliwanag kasi mainit ngayon. And there's another car in front of us. Here's the car. Here's the car. Here's the oops. My headset. Oh. Magandang exercise to. And that's the street stop sign. And my hands is freezing already. It's cold. It is cold. It is cold. It is cold. It's cold and windy. Ayan, guys. Ah, ang init. Ah, my nose my nose is running already because it's too cold. Very cold. So, yeah, nine. I'll wait. Yung lalaking sasakyan guys, parang grabe naman yung makatitik, parang kakainin na kakainin na ako sa kakatitik. Nakakatakot yung tao kung minsan weird kung tumingin ba sa tao. Come on, stop line, hurry up. Hurry up. Yay! Ready? Run! Just kidding. And then, here we go. Yes, we made it. Nakatawid na tayo. Sige, live pa more. Malit tayo nito. Joke lang. Ah, snow! Malapit na tayo guys sa work. My nose is runny. It is so cold. Very cold. My hands is turning numb. Okay, so, yeah. Welcome to Colorado. Yay! My nose is runny. I need to blow my nose. My nose is runny. It's cold. So, yay! I'm in the parking lot already. Going to work. And I work that building. So, yeah. And exercise. Magandang exercise to. Stretch ko yung kamay ko guys kasi yung kamay ko numb na. Yan yung araw. Oh. Maaraw ngayon. Malamig. And then, at the same time, may araw. Pero, still cold. Cold. Still cold. So, magpapaalam na ako guys kasi pagpasok ko sa building, I'm sure may music, makapiright tayo. So, bye for now. Oh, wait lang. Maya. Bye guys.